Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung Galaxy A25 voicemail notifications won't go away. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on messages. Now here go to the storage of messages and then clear the app data and cache memory of messages. Now here click on delete and after that go back to settings and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset and then scroll down and here click on reset network settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm and after that enter your lock screen password here.